These LED lanterns by MalloMe have been a great addition to my storm prep kit for my home. The base just unscrews, and this is where you put in the batteries. It takes 3 AA's. It's made of a hard shell, water-resistant material so that you can take them camping if you'd like. They work great outdoors. They've got these fold-down handles for carrying or for hanging. This is what they look like. So each of these is 146 lumens, and you can just adjust it to how much light you need. I love the portability of these and the functionality of them, and the light output is great. I highly recommend these LED lights. They'd be a great addition to any camping kit, outdoor travel, or your storm prep kit.